In this video we will talk about how quickly you can price a stack of cards, make sure buying from a customer is a seamless process, and that the cards appear on CardMarket exactly like you want them to be priced. To initiate the process of auto-pricing the collection, go to Listing and Appraisal view. Use the listing methods to list the cards the customer want you to sell. Even if you don't have the stack of cards in front of you, you can just ask the customer to provide a table of all cards they want you to sell in PowerTools format. You can get an example of the PowerTools format when you click on Import a file, and then proceed with the download of the example file. Once you've got all your cards listed, select them and click on the Auto Price button. Use a pricing strategy that best matches your use case. In this view, you can check the Auto Price report. Export the listing. At this moment you are ready to go to discussion with the customer and see if you can complete the sale. Let's say that some card prices weren't satisfactory for the customer. Then you can simply delete these cards in PowerTools. This way you will make sure that only the cards you actually bought will appear on CardMarket. When you are satisfied with the prices, you can select the listing and then publish to CardMarket. This guide demonstrated how fast you can auto-price a collection of cards, ensuring a smooth buying experience from sellers, and making sure those cards show up on CardMarket exactly as you want them priced.